Hey guys, I thought I'd just build a bit of a scrappy video here to show you all the bits that are kinda actually needed to have a dual Starlink Ethernet connection. We will try and tidy this up and I'll build a bit of a kit up around it. I will explain what kit we'll have in it at the end. But basically, this Ethernet cable here is coming from our Starlink Mini. This Ethernet cable could be coming from any Starlink actual router. It's putting Ethernet internet into here, and then we're splitting it out into two. Now, one of these, the dark blue, is going into our Ethernet to a USB-C adapter here to give our phone wired internet. Now you can see this box here, it does need a power supply, so actually like a USB-C power. The same as this here needs like a USB-C power. Now the reason for that is that we can still charge our phone. So you can see I'm in airplane mode. But I have this Ethernet thing coming up on my phone now, and my phone's charging. So my phone's got internet from the Starlink over the wired thing. It's charging, and if I come up onto here, I've got the wireless CarPlay happening, and you can see if I try and search something in here, I can just search restaurants, that my search functionality is still not working because I'm still hooked to the internet because of the fact that I have a wired internet going into my phone. So I've got the wireless CarPlay happening, and I've still got internet on here from the Starlink. So handy if you're remote and you have, I know, like general like SIM card internet. And then the other cable here, the light blue one's going into like is going into an Ethernet to USB adapter, which is plugged into our head unit. Which if I go home here, you can see I've got this little two arrows coming up, which means my head unit now has access to the internet the whole time from Starlink. So basically what we have is we have our our head unit has a wired internet. There's old dirty dick, congrats today. But our English merchant known for his filthy appearance. Interesting. So you can see our internet has a wired internet and our phone does. So that's kind of the setup there. Now we'll try and build out a kit, because ideally what we want to have is we pretty much want to have all that stuff actually hidden behind the dash. So that we'll create a little 12 volt to 2 USB things to give power to both those devices, and then you'll have your 2-in-1 splitter. You'll have your USB-C Ethernet 1, which plugs into your phone, and then you also have your USB to Ethernet for the head unit. So far we've got 2-in-1 splitter, a USB-C Ethernet for the actual phone, and a USB-A Ethernet for the head unit. And then we need 2 short Ethernet cables. We probably won't provide that. And then we need a way to provide power to the 2 little hubs, so we'll provide one of those. And then the ideal situation is we're probably going to try and just pass that through into a rocker panel switch. So you'll just have a USB rocker panel switch, one of your blanks, that when you plug your actual phone into, it'll be charging, and also get a wired internet from it when your Starlink is actually on. So we'll try and build that kit out soon, and if we haven't got it built out yet, we do have all the parts you need in stock to actually build that. You can just actually ask us, we'll help you out, or if you want to actually build it yourself, we've showed you how, and we can go from there. Cheers guys.